Hi, today we are going to unbox the MSI GT76 Titan for you. This is the latest gaming laptop in the Titan series with 9th generation Intel Core i9 CPU and latest RTX graphics. It's definitely a performance powerhouse with a robust build. So as you can see, the laptop comes packed in this huge box. It itself weighs around 4.5 kilos and the box is even heavier. The GT76 draws a lot of power due to its use of desktop grade processors, and hence MSI supplies two 230 watt power adapters with it. These adapters are connected to the laptop through a proprietary cable, and it charges only when both the adapters are connected to the power socket. The MSI GT76 Titan seems to be a well-built laptop with an aluminum lid and carbon fiber finish along the body. The laptop has 4 fans and 11 heat pipes to draw out most of the heat generated while gaming for longer hours. There is an LED strip that runs across the base to show off your RGB lighting setup. So that was a quick look at what you can find in the MSI GT76 Titan box. Thank you for watching this video.